Join Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparation. Register today for Stellar Talent Search exam. Admissions are open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2021.
A culpable exercise of power or a fraud on power. What that means is that though the assembly does have the power to enact this law, the amendment is not for a bona fide purpose. It is for a colorable exercise meant to protect the corrupt, meant to protect those who indulge in maladministration, and meant to protect those involved in nepotism. And more importantly, the worst part of the amendment is that even before the Lok Ayukta can commence an investigation, his hands are tied. He cannot go into the issue unless and until a competent authority gives permission. A is accused of corruption, which is an offense under the Prevention of Corruption Act. Now, Prevention of Corruption Act requires permission of the competent authority before prosecution is launched. It does not require permission to investigate. It is only when a prima facie case of corruption, nepotism, or maladministration is found out, then can the sanction of the concerned competent authority is required. Now, what the new amendment has done is, even before this process can be started, even before investigation can be commenced on a complaint, the sanctioning authority under the CRPC or the has to grant permission. Now, this is unheard of. That you cannot investigate a complaint against a person alleged of corruption without taking prior sanction of the competent authority. And who are the competent authorities? The competent authorities will be seniors to the very officials or the concerned ministers concerned. Now, do you expect any matter to go further? My question is, if you want to have who in his right mind would want to occupy the chair of a Lok Ayukta with all these his hands tied up? And if by chance a judge decides to accept it, all the work that he will put in can be put to a nullity only by somebody sitting down on the file, and then, well, there goes the report.